Hello everyone, welcome back to Prime Eye Solutions. In today's video, we'll discuss the most effective ways to learn artificial intelligence, AI, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills. AI is a vast field, but with the right approach and resources, you can become proficient and start creating impactful projects. Let's get started. 1. Understand the basics of AI. 1. Learn foundational concepts. Understand what AI is, its subfields, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and real-world applications. Study how AI differs from traditional programming. 2. Recommended topics to start. Algorithms and data structures. Basics of probability and linear algebra. 2. Choose the right learning path. 1. Formal education. Pursue AI or data science courses in universities or online platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. Consider certifications like Google AI, IBM Data Science, or Microsoft AI. 2. Self-paced learning. Platforms like YouTube, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp offer beginner-friendly tutorials. Use blogs and AI research papers to stay updated. 3. Start with Python and AI libraries. 1. Learn Python. Python is the most widely used programming language for AI. Learn libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn for data manipulation and visualization. 2. Explore AI frameworks. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn are essential for building machine learning and deep learning models. 4. Gain practical experience. 1. Work on projects. Create small projects like spam email detection, sentiment analysis, or image classification. Gradually move to more complex tasks, such as chatbot development or facial recognition. 2. Join open-source projects. Contribute to GitHub repositories and collaborate with the AI community. 5. Leverage online resources. 1. Recommended books. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. 2. AI blogs and tutorials. Stay updated with Medium articles, Google AI blog, and Towards Data Science. 6. Practice, practice, practice. Compete in AI challenges. Join platforms like Kaggle, Driven Data, and hackathons to test your skills. 2. Analyze datasets. Work with real-world datasets from sources like UCI Machine Learning Repository, Kaggle, or Google Dataset Search. 7. Build a community and network. 1. Join AI groups. Participate in forums like Reddit's machine learning or AI-related Discord servers. Attend AI meetups and conferences to learn and connect with industry experts. 8. Stay updated with AI trends. 1. Follow AI news and breakthroughs. Subscribe to newsletters like AI Weekly or listen to AI-focused podcasts. Explore the latest AI tools and frameworks as they evolve rapidly. Final thoughts: learning AI effectively requires dedication, curiosity, and hands-on experience. Whether you're aiming for a career in AI or just exploring this fascinating field, these steps will guide you to success. What's your favorite way to learn AI? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Prime AI Solutions, and follow us on TikTok at TikTokYenen992 for more insightful content on AI.